Hey, Randy here for Complete Growing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hey, some of these videos took 6 years to make because we wanted to make sure things worked. You know, everything you believe on the internet is true, not true. So after myth busting with our engineering and nutritional backgrounds, we found the most affordable and best ways to grow your own food. With these systems, you don't need much space or good soil and everything else. You don't need a green thumb. And better yet, you'll know exactly what you're eating. We'll be covering hydroponics, aquaponics, conventional growing, how to grow on your porch, how to grow on a balcony. We'll be covering different types of greenhouses, year-round growing, Dutch buckets, mini systems, fabric pots, float bins, and much more. We're showing you everything from seeds to germination, nutrients, pest control, including your neighbors. You know what I mean. Unlike a lot of sites, when we show you this, we're going to show you where to get everything, whether it's free or low cost. Sourcing stuff sometimes is one of the hardest parts. So we got that covered too. If we can't find it, if it's not easy to find, we're going to buy in bulk so everyone can benefit. At Complete Growing, we keep it simple, we keep it sustainable, we keep it affordable, and most of all, we keep it real. So join our growing community by subscribing and clicking on that notification bell because you don't want to miss a thing.